Hey there! In this short video, I'll share 5 easy glow-up tips that can change your life for the better. If you want to improve your appearance and boost your confidence, you've come to the right place. Let's become the best version of ourselves. Tip number 1. Quality haircut. Start with a quality scissor haircut. No fades or sharp lines. A skilled barber who uses only scissors can help you achieve a healthier and shinier look. Forget those overgrown fades that lose their charm in a few days. Tip number 2. Fix your posture. Improve your posture to reduce strain on muscles and joints. Good posture not only prevents injuries and reduces pain, but also boosts your confidence and appearance. Practice exercises to consciously improve your posture and enjoy the benefits in your personal and professional life. Tip number 3. Use lip guard. Don't ignore your lips. Protect them with lip balm, especially during cold and sunny days. Lips lack oil glands, so lip guard locks in moisture and prevents dryness. Keep your lips soft and avoid the risk of infections from cracked lips. Tip number 4. Add a crossbody bag. A crossbody bag is not just stylish but also practical. It keeps all your essentials handy in one place, eliminating the need to stuff everything in your pockets. They come in various styles and sizes, making them versatile accessories to complement any outfit. Tip number 5. Wear silver bracelets for a cool look. Go for thin and minimalistic silver bracelets. They suit men well and can be combined with any outfit. Remember, less is more. Avoid thick chains and overloading your look with too many accessories. So there you have it, 5 simple glow-up tips to improve your appearance and boost your confidence. Don't forget to clean your ears daily and add more veggies to your diet for better health. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to becoming your best self. Enjoy the journey and stay awesome.